video, we will be creating a pop art photo effect with only 3 steps. Number 1, set the background. Number 2, insert photo. And number 3, adjust the color. Before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on your notifications. Step 1, set the background. Use the rectangular marquee tool to create a selection and color it yellow. I've decided to color the whole background and not just a part of it. Then select the pen tool. Use this tool to trace triangles as shown in the video. Use an orange color for the top triangle. And a magenta color for the triangle on the bottom. Step 2, insert photo. Insert your image. I'm opening this girl image that I had pre-prepared by deleting the background and creating a separate layer with just the hair. Even though creating a separate layer for just the hair is not essential, select both layers and drag them onto your document. Position the image as you wish. For now, I'm going to turn off the layer visibility for the hair layer. Then I'm going to select the girl layer and duplicate it twice. Convert each layer by selecting it and going to Filter, Convert for Smart Filters. Now, select the first girl layer and go to Filter, Filter Gallery, and apply poster edges by entering 2, 1, 2. When you're done, press OK, then go to the second girl layer and select Filter, Pixelate, Color Halftone, and then enter 6 pixels. Press OK. Now select the third and final girl layer. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery, and select Film Grain. Then enter 4, 0, and 10. Press OK. Apply the Pixelate Color Halftone filter to all the background shapes as well. Only this time enter 10 pixels. Use blending modes on the triangles to blend them with the scene. Step 3, adjust the colors. Now we will be adding some adjustment layers. So go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, and select Photo Filter. Then select the color orange and leave it to 25%. Now we will be adding a second adjustment layer using the photo filter as well. Only this time, instead of orange, we will select magenta as the color. and leave it also at 25%. Now add a new adjustment layer, this time hue and saturation, and enter 0, 51, and 0 as the values. Duplicate this layer and reduce the opacity of the copy to 50%. Add a new adjustment layer, this time select Brightness and Contrast. Enter 33 and 26 as the values. Let's add our last adjustment layer by adding a third photo filter. This time select Violet as the color and leave it always at 25%. I'm going to reduce the opacity on some of the adjustment layers that I added. As a final tip, I'm going to say that a pop art characteristic is the color. It's very bright. So let's brighten up the color of the hair. So create a new layer after the girl layer. Then select the color you want to use to color the hair. I am going to select a magenta color. Since I had previously made a selection of the hair, I am just going to use that to make my selection. But you can use a selection tool or just use a brush tool to paint over the hair. Then change the layer's blending mode to soft light, and if you like, reduce the opacity a little. Here is your finished pop art photo effect. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Hi everyone, in this video we are covering how to create a perfect